Hello guys, welcome to another video. In my previous video, I showed you guys Sora2 and how awesome it is. And also there are two main issues with the current Sora2 on the free plan of the ChatGPT website. So the first one is the watermark, and the second one is the video quality. And I have a video to show you how to fix the quality issue, but I have not showed you a watermark solution yet. And in this video, we're going to show you a very good way and convenient way to solve these two problems with the Sora2 free plan. So that being said, let's get started. So that solution is Higgsfield. Higgsfield just dropped Sora2 and Sora2 Pro, which is unlimited. There's no region block and there's no watermark, and it's a very high quality. It is up to 1080p. So if you go to the Sora trend on the top navigation, you should be able to see a lot of the demos here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a few very useful use cases that is going to help you to build a better business and help you to create better videos. So here are the use cases that I tried. So the first one is to create a video to show teenagers how to make sandwich. So if you want to create a video to show folks how to cook, so this is probably a very useful one. So let's play it.
Start with 2 slices of sandwich bread, spread mayonnaise on one and add a pinch of black pepper. Lay down a crisp romaine leaf, stack on a couple slices of tomato, fold in your turkey, top with cheddar, and close it up. Slice corner to corner. Start with 2 slices.
So how awesome this is. Actually, I just said one sentence, it created amazing video. So the second use cases is to create a video to promote a online educational company. So I'll give it a name, which is the realestateabc.com. You can name it whatever you want it. Let's see the video.
Flexible and built for your success. Dive into self-paced interactive modules, study anywhere, and explore real-world listings that prepare you for day one on the job. Our graduatestateabc.com learning.
So you can see that this is awesome. So it's very convenient if you want to create a promotion ad for an online real estate company, or you can build for any online educational companies or other companies. So that's the second use cases. The third one is a travel guide. So I want to build a stunning apartment complex with ocean view. And you can see here with a very simple prompt, here's just what created.
It is so cool.
And also for this one, I actually created a customized audio. So if you go to Vision and Sound, you can see there's a place in the sound section. It's called speech. So you can actually create a customized speech by clicking the custom. So you can put in your customized text. So in this case, I put it, this is so cool. And then you can see it added that sound to the video. So let's continue. The fourth use cases is a custom ad. You can use this ad for many videos. So for example, in this case, I asked the Sora2 to create a video for this joke, right? And basically it says I told my computer I needed a break and now it won't stop sending me vacation ads. It turns out it took break a bit too literally. And let's play it to see how this is working.
Okay, getting fried. Computer, I need a break. Whoa, what? No, I didn't. I just meant like a coffee break. Oh, come on, you're texting me now? All right, I get it. Okay, getting fried.
So you can see that this is actually Hollywood grade. So it's awesome. I just put a simple prompt and you can see how awesome this video was created. So okay, let's go to the fifth sample. So I try to build a demo for a travel guide. So you can see I prompted and I said, start with quick dynamic shot transitions, aerial shots sweep over houses in diverse American landscapes. So this basically create a lot of the great views around the country, and let's play it.
From sun-soaked villas along Florida fairways to timbered hideaways in Colorado's peaks to proud Texas homesteads and sleek California retreats, every home tells a story and every view is unforgettable.
So super awesome. And they added the audio by itself. It is very much matching the scenes. So let's go to the next example, which is the same as this ad, to create a joke for the audience. So using the same exact prompt, but with a lower quality. So if you want to adjust the quality, just go to settings and you can pick the 720p or 1080p. So for this version, we picked a lower resolution, and you can see that the quality is a bit lower, but this is a little bit cheaper. And let's play it to see if this is good as well.
I need a break. Ding, ding, ding. I told my computer I needed a break, and now it won't stop sending me vacation ads. Turns out, it took break a bit too literally.
So this is also very good, and also it rephrased the exact same sentence from the prompt. So the other one actually changed a little bit, but I think it's so good as well. And just this one, the sentence, they just repeat exactly the prompt. So which is great. So let's go to the next one. And it is to create a stunning video to promote a workout gym. So this is actually promotion for a local gym. So let's play it.
Downtown's hardest workout lives here. At Iron House, every rep, every drop of sweat pushes you further. No excuses. Feel the fire with tech-driven training, premium equipment, and coaches that have your back. It's more than a gym. It's an downtown's.
So you can see that this is very, very awesome. So the video quality is great, and this is created for TikTok. So this is not created for YouTube. So you can see I actually changed a little bit of the resolution, and the quality is still really, really good. And let's go to the next one. So I asked it to create a stunning video to promote a e-commerce item, so which is a pair of female jeans. So I simply uploaded a product image. So I asked to create a promotion for this image. So let's play it to see the quality and performance of this video.
Meet the jean that moves with you. A high-rise waist, fluid-wide leg, and tailored pleats create effortless shape and flow. Designed to flatter front and back and easy to style from day to night. Step into denim that feels as good as it.
You can see that this is an enterprise production video. Super good. So this is my favorite one, and I simply uploaded an image, and you can see how awesome the video it created. So let's go to the last one, which is to create a cartoon. So this is a majesty phoenix rises from a bed of smoldering embers. So you can see that it is pretty good as well. Let's play it. So these are all the various use cases that I discovered by using the Sora2 on Higgsfield. So hopefully this is helpful. And if you do like it, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.